Experiencing problems with T-Mobile's Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone or Android device? Don't worry, most issues are easily resolved. As of late 2025, common causes include outdated software, incorrect APN settings, or network congestion. A quick first step is using the Wi-Fi calling reset feature in the T-Mobile app, version 25.10 or later, which resolves many common issues. Also, ensure your phone is updated to the latest iOS 18.2, or Android 15 version, as these updates often include Wi-Fi calling optimizations. Check that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Check that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection and that Wi-Fi calling is enabled in your device settings. On iPhones, go to Settings, Cellular, Wi-Fi Calling. Confirm that the toggle is switched on and select T-Mobile if prompted. On Android, the path may vary slightly depending on the manufacturer, but is usually found under Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi Calling. Confirm that the toggle is switched on and select T-Mobile if prompted. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your T-Mobile Wi-Fi calling issues, the next step is to check your APN settings, particularly on Android devices. Incorrect APN settings can block Wi-Fi calling functionality. The recommended APN for T-Mobile is fast.tmobile.com. To access APN settings on Android, go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, then Access Point Names. If fast.tmobile.com is not listed, create a new APN. Set name to T-Mobile and APN to fast.tmobile.com. Leave other fields blank or default. Save the new APN and select it as your active APN. For persistent issues, try toggling airplane mode on and off, or reset network settings after backing up your data. If problems continue, contact T-Mobile support for device-specific guidance based on your account.